Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Ubuntu 22.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser. Firefox, it is the default browser that comes with Ubuntu 22.04. Open it. Also verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application or not. VS, see you don't have VS Code. Even if you search for Visual Studio Code, see you don't have. Okay. See, now go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on this .debian package or download, both are same. Then click on this .debian for the Ubuntu operating systems. Click on it to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the code Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give code, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, the installer would like to add Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through apt. Add Microsoft repository for Visual Studio Code, select yes and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for, then go to next page. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. You can also open the Visual Studio Code, just giving code on the terminal, hit enter. Right. See, we got the VS Code. Okay. ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed. So delete it. rm, give code, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls, see, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.